Name and school.
Sure, Dave Kraft from C.A. Frost Middle High School.
What did the kids give us project-wise?
Kind of a two-part thing. I teach environmental science, so all year long they study the whole landscape, soil, water, biodiversity, air quality even. And then in addition to that, they started a native plant business where they harvest native seed in the fall and then grow the plants throughout the school year. And the idea is kind of two-part there. Number one, to install the native plants on campus to see if the conditions in the landscape or in the stream that we have change at all. And then also to sell the plants, which they've got plans to do that this spring as well.
What's included in tonight's display?
Just a bunch of equipment that we use throughout the year, things that I have used Groundswell funds to purchase through my several years of Groundswell grants, and then samples of the plants that they've grown this year.
What did the kids learn from this?
Really, they just learned a lot about how ecosystems work around them and on a variety of topics. And then more narrowly, how to grow native plants, so that's a skill in itself. And then also the business component of that, how to plan a business and make all those things happen as well.
Thanks for what you do.
Sure, thank you.